everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new then welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a cleaning products haul. So it's going to be my favourite cleaning products that I use. If you are already a subscriber then you've probably seen some of my speed cleaning videos that I do. I try and do one every week, but actually this week I'm not doing one. I'm doing this cleaning product haul instead. I've got the bits from kind of all over the place. I've got some bits from Poundland, B&M, the farm shop down the road. You won't know that unless you're local to Essex. Billericay Barleylands farm shop. Anyone know that? No. Anyway, let's just get straight into the video. I'm going to show you my favourite products that I like to use to clean my house. Right, I'm going to start with side cleaning. What do you call it? I don't know. I'm going to start with this. This is my favourite thing. So it's the Method Anti-Bac. Now, I knew about this a really long time ago, but I never actually bought it for myself. So my mum has been using this for years. She always uses it down her caravan. So whenever we'd go down there, we'd use this to clean up after ourselves. And I always thought, like, this smells so good. And the reason my mum buys it is because it's vegan friendly. Yeah, it's not tested on animals, so that is why she's always got it. But it's also amazing, like it smells. So this one in particular smells so good. This is the wild rhubarb, and I know lots of the other ones smell really good as well. I need to branch out. Let me know what your favourite scent of this is, because I think this is my favourite, but if I'm honest, I've not really smelt many of them. Yeah, so this is what I use most of the time. This is a new bottle, as you can see. This is what I use most of the time to go around all the sideboards and the kitchen surfaces. Also, another thing that I like to use to clean the surfaces is my very own zoflora mix. So that moves me nicely on to my next favourite cleaning product. I feel like I didn't spend enough time on the Method. I love this. This is my favourite. But yeah, I'm moving on very quickly to zoflora. I feel like I didn't build it up enough, but this is my collection of zoflora. I'm going to show you all my scents. Ooh. So I've got my favourite, I would say, is the bouquet, and that's why I got it in a big old bottle. Moving on to Summer Breeze, which is not my favourite. I don't really like this as much actually, but I put it in the washing machine to clean the washing machine every now and then, and it makes that smell nice, but that's not my favourite. And I have got, of course, the warm cinnamon. I need to get some of the other ones. I think there's an orange and cranberry. Has anyone tried that one? Is it good? I bet it's amazing, but I don't know if did they go out of stock, because I think people went mad for them, didn't they? But this one, I need to be careful. Like, I want it to last until Christmas time, but I've been going a bit crazy with it already. So yeah, that's the warm cinnamon. And then I got these the other day from my local farm shop. So I got two for £1.50. I know they're only little, but there is still a lot in there. So I got the sweet pea and the summer bouquet, which is also lovely. I don't know if I've even smelt this sweet pea one. Yeah, that's nice. That's really fresh smelling. Oh yes, I like that one. And the summer bouquet, I remember it being nice when I smelled it in the shop. Yeah, that's nice. It's a bit fruitier than that one. I love that one, but this one, this one might even be better. Yeah, it's a bit fruitier. Anyway, yeah, so what I do is dilute it into here and then go around the surfaces with that sometimes, but obviously there's so many things that you can use zoflora for. Yeah, I put my sink to bed, as Mrs. Hinch would say, I put my sink to bed with these, and I rub them on the radiators, especially now that it's getting colder and we're putting the radiators on. I've been putting like a couple drops onto a bit of kitchen roll and then leaving it by the radiator, and it just it wafts lovely smells. I love a waft of zoflora. Also, I said in one of my speed cleans, I've been putting it, you know the toilet brushes and you get the bottom bit that you put it back in, I've been putting a couple drops of zoflora in that, so then it doesn't smell of poo. It smells of zoflora. Yeah, so zoflora had to be in there, didn't it? Okay, so another thing that I go round my sides with is this white vinegar spray. This is a Star Drops one. I also got this from my local farm shop, and I think it was like £1 or something. Yeah, so it's a multi-purpose spray. Obviously it does a lot of other things as well. It does laundry stain remover, so yeah, removes stains, and it's great for lime scale apparently. I've not tried it for the lime scale yet, but I've got, when we moved in, we've got a white sink and it was very stained, so I tried so many different things to get the stains off. This is probably one of the best things that I've used to get the stains off. Obviously it does smell very vinegary, so once I went round all the sides of my kitchen washing them down with this, and it just really smelled of vinegar. So I obviously prefer the zoflora mix and the method smell wise, but this is a really good cleaner. It gets stains out. How does it get stains out? It's just clear. I don't know. How does it get stains out, guys? But anyway, yeah, so they are my 3 surface wipers, my favourite surface wipers. So another thing that's kind of linked to them is this Sift Cream with micro crystals. I was just trying to read that. Yeah, so this, it says that you can use it on anything, I think. Make stuff shiny, but I love it. I just really love the smell of it too. Let me give it a sniff. Oh, does anyone else have to sniff stuff? I have to sniff everything. Yeah, I like it. Just smells clean, that does. So I'll put that all over my sink to clean my sink, give it a good scrubby scrub, and all over my stove and oven, and you can do it on the surface as well. You can just pretty much use this for everything. I like to read stuff. I feel like whenever I do these videos, I like to read stuff, but there's not much to read. Just says removes 100% of the most ingrained dirt for 100% beautifully clean surfaces. Yeah, so you can pretty much use it on everything. It's just great, and I've been using it a lot lately for like my oven and sink. So there we go. What do I do next? Oh, speaking about ovens, this is another one. The Astonished Oven and Cookware Cleaner. I am yet to use this, but I've heard very good things. I know what you're thinking. Why have you put it in your favourites cleaning products if you've not even used it? How can it be your favourite if you've not used it? But I don't know. Let's just brush past that, because I'm predicting that it's going to be a favourite. Oh, that smelled nice. Now let's open that. Yes. So I'm going to use that soon. Maybe I'll do a video of me using it. I'm running out of video ideas. Anyway, yeah, so apparently it's very good. I've seen it in other people's videos when they've said they've used it, and it's really good. So I'm going to use that for my oven. It's like that inside, so I'm guessing you get the sponge and then just go for it. Right, let's put it that way. Next one will be this Dettol all-in-one. So I know they do lots of different smells of this, scents, but I've only ever used this one, and spring waterfall this is. I'm not actually that keen on the smell, but I think that it's a really good thing to have to spray on like the door handles and around the toilet lid and sinks and stuff. So I do use that quite a lot, but I really want to try a different scent. What's your favourite scent on this? This is a spring waterfall, and it just does smell like disinfectant, to be honest. I want like a fruity smell. Right, we're going to cloth soon, but quickly first I'm going to show you these. Who else loves these? They're just good, aren't they? They just smell good. I know there's a lot on the market now, like own brand ones, but I've still been getting these. And this is the Lavish. That's probably my favourite smell. I love like vanilla-y. What's in it again? Vanilla-y type smells. Not that that is vanilla-y. I don't know. I just like that smell. Put that in the washing machine before you put your load in. The clothes come out just smelling good. Right, now I'm going to go to some wipes. Look at these. How cute are they? These are Jelly Belly. That's what they're called. Jelly Belly microfiber cloth. So, so you can use these for loads of stuff. It's a cloth. I don't need to explain a cloth to you. But it comes with 2. Look at them. Oh, they're big as well. I haven't opened them yet. Look at that. Oh, I love these. I can't wait to use these. And they're really, oh, my voice is going. They're really thick as well. Like I don't know if you can see, they've got like this tail, like a toweling material. Can you see that? Yeah, but they just, look how cool they look. They're gonna do good. So yeah, you can use that as a little duster, or you know what cloths do. But I wouldn't need to use, oh, it's different shapes as well. Look, they're actually different. I thought they was the same. Big jelly babies and little ones. I love them. Yeah, but I wouldn't need to use these as a duster because, ready for this? I bought a little hand duster. I love this. When I bought this, I was with Zach, my husband, and he was like, we do not need that. Do we need a little hand duster? And you know what I said? I said, yes, Zach, we do need a little hand duster. So I got it, and I'm very happy about it. I can just walk along, and then as I'm walking upstairs, I'm just like, shh, get all the dust off the stairs, or I was just walking along, oh, a bit of dust there. It's good, it's convenient, and I'm happy about it. It's double-sided. I don't think I need to say much more than that, do I? So, new fave there. Still haven't been able to get my hands on a Minky. Yeah, let's not talk about that. But I have got a scrub buddy. It's been used. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. But the scrub buddies are great. Scowl on one side, spongy belly the other. And it does the job. I've never used a Minky, so I don't know if it does a better job or it's not as good. But for now, until I can get my hands on a Minky, it will do. There we go. These guys. Everyone has these guys now, don't they? So they are the, what do you call them? I've not got the packaging, so I don't know what they're called. I've got nothing to read. Magic erasers. Yeah, so I always get these from Poundland. They're £1 for 2 usually, and they get stains out good. You remember when I was saying about this getting the sink stains out? This is also great for getting my sink stains out. My sink stains. They're great. And then I think this is my last thing. It is these window wipes. They're not window wipes, glass wipes. So they clean glass and mirrors easily. Quick dry formula. Yeah, ideal to clean mirrors, car windscreens, TV. Cleans and dries without smearing. Easy way to clean. I'll stop. You have got these double door, let me show you, look, these double door doors here, which are glass. Oh, they get dirty. They get dirty because the kids just put their hands on them and even like will mess about and put their face on it and be like, so yeah, they get grubby. So these are brilliant for that. And I didn't know you could use them in your car, but obviously that if it's a mirror or a window, you can use it. Should be their motto. Okay, that is it. That is the end of my cleaning haul video and all my favourite products. I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, let me know what your favourite cleaning products are. I'm joking, you don't have to. But if you did like this video though, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this and other videos. I do, as I said, I do speed cleans, I do clothing hauls, Poundland hauls. I like a haul. I do exercise videos. If you like exercise and you are wanting to get in shape, I do exercise videos every now and then. I do everything. I do everything. Not accents. I'm not good at accents. Anyway, I'm going to go now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, and I will see you in another video. Bye.